Hello, Wells malware includes a sophisticated phishing kit that can bypass multi-factor authentication and MFA protections. The company has seen a phishing empire built up linked to cyber attacks aimed at compromising Microsoft 365 business email accounts over the past 6 years. Some of the prominent sectors infiltrated by the phishing solution include manufacturing, IT, consulting, financial services, healthcare, and legal services. Wells says its malware also has an auxiliary utility called Lompat and delivers malicious messages using a vast underground market for these tools. It warns that the growing demand for phishing tools has created a thriving underground market, attracting an increasing number of vendors. A previously undocumented phish empire has been linked to cybercrimes aimed at stealing Microsoft 365 business email accounts over 6 years. We have seen a rise in the number of attacks motivated by a desire to gain access to business Gmail accounts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.